everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we will talk about how to get a Temu refund without returning an item. So to get a Temu refund without returning an item, you just have to submit a refund request in the app with graphic evidence showing damaged, wrong or missing items. For low-cost items, typically under $10 to $14 or items not as described, Temu often allows you to keep the product while issuing a refund. So I'll tell you guys. You just have to use photographic evidence first. When filing a return or refund request, you have to take clear photos of the damaged or incorrect item. Also, high quality evidence often results in a keep it decision. Secondly, items of low value are frequently refunded without requiring a return because shipping costs exceed the item's value. You can also select missing items or parts or damaged as the reason for the refund to avoid a return. Also, you can contact customer service. If the automated system requires a return, use the chat feature to tell the agent it is too damaged to ship back or not worth the effort, and they may waive the return. You can also select Temu Credit Refund. Choosing to receive your refund in Temu Credits is generally faster and sometimes avoids return requirements. So I hope this video helped you guys. That's it for this video. See you in my next video.